GeoClerk has a browser extension which allows you to kick off a spatial search from any of the Geological Survey mapping websites, and that's for any state in Australia or province in Canada. So to do that, you firstly have to install the GeoClerk extension. There's a separate video showing you how to do that, and this works on any Chrome or Edge browser. So to show you how to do that for Ontario, firstly you need to go into the Geology Ontario mapping tool. Now if you're not already in there, you can just click on the extension, click the drop down menu, and it'll show you all the mapping tools that are currently supported. So we go over to Geology Ontario. That takes a little bit of time to set up the area you want with the layers to find the area that you're interested in, etc. So I've pre-prepared one just for speed. So we're going to zoom into an area close to Timmins, and I've just shown the drill holes and the mining leases in that area. So we just zoom into the area that we're interested in. And then it's as simple as clicking on the browser extension to kick off a search which is covered by the map extent which is currently in the window. So in this case, a little bit beyond this large purple mining lease area. So we click on there, it shows you the area that we're going to be searching, so close to the town of Timmins. And then you can add in some keywords if you want to at this point. I tend to just leave this blank and then add those in later. So I'm just going to click Search GeoClerk, and that's going to go off and find all of the images from documents that have a spatial intersection with that area that I've searched, which is shown here in the bottom left in the geofence area. Then I could add in a search term if I wanted to. In this case, I'm not going to. And then one other thing you can do is you can save that area to your shapes directory or your shapes files. So if you want to do that, you just click on Save the Shape, give it a name, and save that. Now the reason you might want to do that is that when you then go into find that shape in your list, so there we have the Ontario area. If I then do a search from there, then the results are going to be now ordered by spatial relevance, which isn't the case when you kick off the search directly from the the Geological Survey's mapping tool. So if you want them in order of relevance, first save the shape and then just re-perform the search from that shape, from your My Shapes list, and then the results will be in order of spatial relevance. So that's basically how you kick off a search from the Geology Ontario website. Very straightforward and easy to do.